Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. This is Trey Mathis here from WiFiEntrepreneur.com. So glad that you guys landed back here on my page. If this is your very first time joining us, I want to thank you guys for joining us. We're having a lot of fun here. We have been talking about how to become super rich using the millionaire mindset. If you haven't already downloaded this, by all means, do so by clicking on the link in the description box below. I do have my trusty notebook here. I ask that, one thing that you guys can do is to keep notes of your progress, of your goals, of some of the things we've been talking about, because each time we put together a video, we're going to be building upon what we've talked about in the past. But hey, if this is your very first time joining us, let me let you know what we're talking about. We're talking about turning your passion into profits online, aka starting a profitable business online in any passion and any niche you desire. In some of the earlier videos, we were talking about how you can go about identifying your niche. Hopefully by now, you have identified not only what you're passionate about, but a niche market, if you will, inside of that passion that you can stand out on the internet with. In the last few videos, we were talking about once you've identified that passion, some of the ways that you can come about creating a product in which that you can actually generate an income from. Network marketing was one, and you can go out and find someone who already has a product or a service that you in line with, and a company with structure in place where you can just jump on board and just offer your expertise in the form of a voice, in which we'll be talking about even more so moving forward. We also talked about how you can go about creating your own product or service and then marketing that product or services to others, so therefore you can generate income off of that. But the number one way we talked about was affiliate marketing, is really what these videos really focus on moving forward. Because one of the things about affiliate marketing, it allows you to not only offer your natural self into whatever it is that you're passionate about, but it also allows you to market a wide range of products and services that other people have already successfully put together, that you also agree are good products that you feel other people could use as well. So for example, network marketing, you have one company that you're representing and that company's products. When you create your own product, you have your product in which you're representing, and just that product and however many products you have a part of your line. And last but not least, affiliate marketing allows you to market a wide range of products. We also talked about how you can use Amazon as a way, as an affiliate, to gain access to thousands and thousands of products of other people's that you can begin to market through your own personal voice and generate a commission off of as well. And in the last video, I gave you guys something that I really hope that you had the opportunity to use, and that was the opportunity for you to create your own website. If you have been tracking so far, the affiliate links that Amazon provides you are great ways that you can go out and begin to share your links with other people about the products that you're using, and getting a commission from that. But what we really want to do now is take our business to the next level by creating our own personal voice that we want to bring to these products. That's the baking. If we remember what we talked about before, if you love baking, then share that in which you love with others. And then how we're going to generate the commission is what we're really focusing on. So in the last video, I kind of threw something on you guys as far as giving you the opportunity to launch your own blog. Not only do you have your affiliate links from Amazon in the previous videos that you got automatically for any product that you want to market out there on Amazon, but now we're talking about creating your own voice. And that's what a blog is intended to do. It's created by you so that you can voice in your own way the things that you're passionate about. If it's baking, it could be voicing your favorite recipes. It could be showing your favorite baking techniques. It could be you displaying videos like this, showing you baking goods or what have you, anything. If we talked about taking photos, if you were a photographer, it may be a website that a blog may be a website, an opportunity for you to display some of those photographs with other people so you can connect that story. It may be a way for you to write about the places in which you went, which we talked about before, that may trigger people to find interest in going to that location and purchasing that similar trip as well. So this is what the blog allows you to do and allows you to create. This is your own micro mini website. You know, if we get away from the old ideas of websites in the past that resembled a lot of these Shopify stores, which are great, and we can talk about Shopify stores down the line if it fits your business. But in the blog idea, it takes away from that just cookie cutter, I'm walking into a merchant store to buy something, to more, I'm walking into an interaction or a conversation with someone who has done what it is that I'm interested in doing, and these are the products in which they use in order to get it done. And that's a whole entire different experience. It's an entire different shopping experience when you go as a person looking for reviews, looking for understanding, and then while you're there, also finding information that you can use and products that you may want to purchase that can benefit you as well. So that's what a blog is intended to do. I know I threw the blog on you guys kind of sporadically, but if you didn't get the opportunity to go over and set up your free blog already, then I highly encourage you to use the link in the description box below to go ahead and go over and create your own blog absolutely free. In just a matter of clicks, you can have your own blog set up, starting to create your own voice, and so on and so forth. And as you're going about doing that, don't worry, the site that I'm sending you over to is going to not only set you up for free, but you're going to be given a website name. Now, your website name is going to be generic, kind of generic, whatever it is that your business idea that you're thinking about, maybe the name that you're thinking about, dot something else. Well, in the next video, we're going to actually be talking about how you can create a more exciting name, if you will, that you can navigate people to once we start to advertise on Google and advertise on Facebook. But we'll be talking about that in the next video. But for right now, you can go over and set up your blog absolutely free. You can get started, and by the time we set up the next video, we can plug and play with what you've already done, and we can already start generating that Google activity. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited too. Look forward to talking to you guys on the next video. Until we talk again, take care and be blessed. Peace.